Welcome to our penalty calculator introduction. I'm Matt, the Prepayment Penalty Mentor. We're going to go through a quick demo of our penalty calculator. So here we have our penalty calculator. We go and click New. And we have, with our Prepayment Penalty Mentor, over 50 lenders, and we're continuously adding new lenders once we've cracked their formula. So we're going to start out with one of our favorite monolines. We're going to start out with First National. So we're going to put in here, search First National. Now, depending on if it's insured, insurable, conventional, you have to pick the right product. We're going to go and say it's an insured mortgage. We're going to say it's $500,000 remaining. And let's say we have an interest rate of 5.5%. Now, with our monolines, most monolines, there's no discount. So we don't have to worry about that over here. Original loan term, we're going to say 60 months. And we're going to put a maturity date of September 1st, 2028. For payment frequency, we can put monthly, bi-weekly, weekly. You really want to put the information from a current mortgage statement. So put this in. We're going to just go and generate the payment, but we also have the option of using a given payment. We can enter a payment amount, next payment date. I'm just going to generate the payment, and I'm going to go and say that there is 278 months remaining. From here, you go and hit calculate, and then we scroll down. And so what do we see here? We see, even though it's a monoline, we have an interest rate differential of just over $17,500. But one of the great things about our calculators is we're not only looking at the penalty today, we're also looking at the future. So as you can see here, as we move on, we're estimating once we get into October, once we're compared to that 2-year, that the IRD will drop. So this great value for brokers and for their clients is if we kind of spot this opportunity, maybe we delay things. Maybe we wait till this point here, once we're compared to a rate that triggers a lower penalty. And then we can see the rest of the term and what the clients can expect if they were to keep that mortgage for longer. Now that's our monoline. Now we're going to go and hit clear, and we're going to run through a bank scenario. So we're going to go through a TD Bank scenario. We'll go same thing, 500,000, and let's go with a 6% rate. Now, one of the things with the banks is that they give you a discount to get to that contract rate. Now, best practice is to get a copy of either the mortgage loan confirmation letter, annual statement, or have the client confirm with their lender. At the current tier here, penalty calculator tier, you're going to have to go and do this work. But if you need some help and you want to upgrade to our Dealmaker or our Power Broker tier, we do have history of the discounts and the posted rates, and we can help you to estimate what it is until you can confirm via an annual statement. So in this example here, I know that the discount is 1.04%, 60 months, maturity date, we're going to go November 1st, 2028. Go monthly. I'm going to generate the payment. I'm just going to say that there's 300 months remaining. From here, we go and hit calculate. And then we scroll down. And what do we see here? We see that we have an interest rate differential of about $14,300, which we can see over here. And that it's decreasing gradually each month. But oh my goodness, around May 24th of next year, we're seeing a spike. But the tools really help us to go and do, not only identify a very accurate penalty for today, but also looking at how it reacts as the client pays their mortgage and how it reacts as they progress through the term and they are compared to different rates. We also update these rates over here every day. So if you were to go into login and run this calculation tomorrow, and let's say the 3-year posted rate changed, you would notice the interest rate differential change. You can take that proactive approach for your clients and let them know so that there are no payout surprises. And that's the power of the penalty calculator. It gives you precise real-time penalty estimates for over 50 lenders mapped across the entire mortgage term. So you can spot strategic windows, reduce surprises, and guide your clients with confidence. It's not just about calculating penalties. It's about building trust, adding value, and staying ahead of the banks. If you're ready to offer next-level advice and stand out in a competitive market, this is the tool that gets you there. Prepayment Penalty Mentor. Mortgage penalties simplified.